would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
Tell him I got the juice. Look, wait a minute. Tell him I got the juice. Look, by the way.
Let's try this thing, man. The Ocaw, man. Finally back from my umbrella armory. The trigger response was extremely more lighter now. Lower the FPS. So this is a CQB Master. She's definitely tournament ready. I'll be using her a lot more. Shout it out. Let's get it. Oh, down in the mud pit. Oh shit, I'm sorry, bro.
Support reach.
Oh, hey, hey, hey. Woohoo.
Support reach.
Hey! I'm gonna get his big ass in the blue right here in the middle.
Yeah, he's gonna try to.
We got a sniper all the way back.
Support reach.
Oh yeah, sniper! Woo! Oh yeah, son! We ain't fucking around. We is not fucking around.
Good push, man.
Thank you, bro. Somebody hit me in the belly. Don't let him press up fast, man. Don't let him press up.
Support reach.
I got your back right here. Hell yeah, boy, take that ass back. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, buddy. Oh, I'm ready for you, bro. Bring that ass.
Hell, boy. Boy, I bet you start crying when you get lost, boy.
I don't know where they went. They were right here.
Fuck you, man.
Out, stranger. Damn, I gotta work on my reloads. Hashtag reload game sucks. Alright, you going up there?
Hey, yeah, I'm gonna on the hill. You're not allowed to be up there. Call yourself out and join the attackers. Hey, call yourself out and join the attackers. Yo, ref, why?
Because he went too far.
Bullshit, he fine. I saw him fight the whole way around. I was covering him.
Yeah, he can't go up that high.
Why not?
Shut the fuck. Shut. Did I say no? Oh shit. Say it again. Say something else. Oh. Say something else. Say something else, nigga.
Famous by the van. Hell yeah.
Support reach.
They're pressing left side. They're stalling that damn bunker. The fuck is over there? Some girls or something? Shit. Good hit, Phantom. I'm with you, bro. Yay! Hell yes, son. Hey, man, what y'all waiting for? A conference meeting? Let's go bust some ass.
Support reach.
Hell yeah, buddy. You know that fucking hit you. Call your head on me. You know that was a hit, buddy. Hell yeah. There they go. Good hit.
I'm gonna run out. I need you to cover me, okay?
Got you, homie. Oh. Whew.
Support reach.
I think he's down here. He's walking back. One's down. All right. Woo! He almost got me that one, man. I ain't fucking with that side, bro. Hell nah. Phantom, you still here? All right. Good deal.
Support reach.
Yeah? Thank you, bro. Hell yeah. Thank you, bro. Oh man, yo, today was fun. Got a lot of kills actually. Got a lot of kills with the Ocaw. The Ocaw, just, you know, I'm not surprised. It's extremely accurate. It's the best gun, man. The shotgun, I was not so fortunate to get any kills with the shotgun just because I suck. I suck, I'm not gonna lie. I look good, but I suck.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park.